So when you start to think of the trading strategy that you're going to build for yourself, the first thing that you want to do is figure out what your goal is. Are you looking to generate a supplemental income? Or is this going to be a primary income? Are you doing this for something that's much longer term? What's the goal, right? And then from there, what you're going to do is not reverse engineer to that goal just yet, right? Because there's other people out in the world that have achieved exactly what it is that you want to achieve. So once you figure out the goal, then figure out, well, who has already done it, right? Start to research those people. A great place to start to find out about the best people in the world that have done what you're trying to do is a book series called Market Wizards by this guy Jack Schwager. He interviewed the top traders of his day and put them into a book. So find the traders and the methodologies that most closely align to what it is that you're trying to achieve, that make the most sense to you, and then dive deeper into those worlds. Once you start to learn more about them, then you're in a position to start building your own strategy. And what I would recommend is to first follow as closely whatever the masters that you're learning from, follow what they did. And then from there, once you've learned their habits, then you can start to make adjustments and start to make it your own. I think it was Pablo Picasso there that once said that first you have to learn the rules, then you can break the rules. Right now, you're at a point where you're figuring out what it is that you want, what's the goal, then learning the rules to get to that goal, then you'll be able to figure out how can I bend the rules, how can I break the rules, how can I make this game my own. That, my friend, is the strategy to success.